Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to start with the lesson number 10, the expansion of the Maratha power. At the beginning of the Maratha War of Independence, the Mughal were attacking the Marathas while the Maratha were defending them. However, by the end of the war, the Maratha overpowered the Mughals and practically covered the whole of India. In this module, you will learn about the expansion of the Maratha rule in India in the later half of the 18th century. The death of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb resulted into the war of succession between his three sons to the throne of Delhi. Aurangzeb's eldest son, Prince Azam Shah, declared himself the Mughal emperor and seized the throne. Aurangzeb's elder son released the Maratha Prince Sahu, who was held captive by the Mughals. Prince Azam Shah believed that if Prince Sahu was released, there would arise a war between Maharani Tarabai, the queen of Shivaji's son Rajaram, and Prince Sahu for the Gaddi of Maharaj Chhatrapati. By doing this, he believed it will make the Marathas weak and easy to capture their kingdom gradually. After his release, Sahu Maharaj immediately marched towards Maharashtra, accompanied by some Maratha soldiers to seize the throne. However, Maharani Tarabai did not accept his claim. Sahu Maharaj fought and won the battle at Khed on the banks of river Bhima. He succeeded the Maratha throne with the help of Balaji Vishwanath. He made Satara the capital of Maratha kingdom. Tarabai's opposition to Sahu Maharaj continued after his coronation. She proclaimed her minor son Shivaji as the Chhatrapati of Panhala in 1710 AD. This led to the rise of another independent Maratha kingdom at Kolhapur. Balaji Vishwanath was one of the most important prominent supporters of Sahu Maharaj. He was a shrewd and capable diplomat who was hailed from Srivardhan to Konkan. He convinced many Maratha Sardars to support Sahu Maharaj's cause as the true heir to the Maratha throne. He also won over Maharani Tarabai's main ally and chief of the Maratha navy, Kanoj Angre. In this situation, Sahu Maharaj made Balaji Vishwanath his Peshwa or chief minister. Balaji pursued Kanoji and tactfully won his over to the side of Sahu. Maharaj thus avoided a battle. For his support, Kanoji was promised military help and also made the chief of the Maratha navy. After strengthening the position of Sahu Maharaj in Maharashtra, Balaji turned his attention to the politics in the north. Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi writes, after strengthening the position of Sahu Maharaj in Maharashtra, Balaji turned his attention to the politics in the north. The Delhi court, after the death of Emperor Aurangzeb, was marked by bickering and confusion. The Sayyid brothers, Abdullah and Hussein or Hussein Ali, had become very influential. With their help in 1719 CE, Balaji obtained from the Mughal emperor the grants or senates to collect Chautai and Sardeshmukhi from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. These senates gave the Marathas the right to collect 1/4 part, it means Chautai, and 1/10 part, that is Sardeshmukhi, of the revenue from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. I will continue this lesson in next video. Thank you.